Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's talk about a new off-page SEO topic, which is guest posting. What exactly do I mean by guest posting? It is very simple. Now, my business is about Click and Capture Studio, the website that I'm dealing with. Now, what we have to do, we have to write the articles that are related to wedding photography, model photography, or product photography in other websites where they accept the blogs or articles that we give to them, so that they will post that particular articles in their website, which makes their website to bring onto the top of the Google search engine results page. And that is the benefit that they get from our articles. And what benefit do we really get? So here we can see the benefits. The very first thing, we will get the high quality backlinks from that particular website. While we are submitting the article, even we request for a backlink, which means by giving the backlink, we are getting the traffic to our website from that particular website. And by giving our article to them and by giving the backlink to them, we are improving our domain authority. We are improving our website ranking, and also finally we are improving the online visibility. And always remember that there will be few websites which accepts a guest posting, and those websites will accept only the relevant topics. Now imagine my business is related to wedding, right? So any website that related to wedding, maybe photo shoot, something like that, they accept the articles or blogs only related to this particular business. So we have to find the right website which accepts the guest posting blogs or articles, and we have to find the best platform for relevant searches. So what we have to do and how in Google that we will be able to find the websites which accepts our article or blogs, and how we can do that. It is very simple. First we have to navigate to Google, and then we have to enter the keyword, which means the business or the service that we are dealing with. And in my scenario, the keyword is going to be wedding photography. Alright, plus we have to give the end title, and we have to search for something like write for us, become a contributor, contribute, guest blogging. You know, the websites which accepts the blogs or articles, they will keep a page with this particular names. So we have to search for our business or service keyword, and then we have to include these names, which will pull all the websites which accepts the articles. So in my scenario for Click and Capture Studio, I want to search with wedding photography plus write for us, and I will give you a live understanding. So I want to click on new tab, I want to navigate to Google, and then I want to search with the keyword wedding photography plus write for us. Then it will pull all the websites which accepts the blogs or articles. Here I can see the Snapshot Cafe, random clicks photography.co.in. So all we have to do is we have to click on any one of the websites. So let me click on this website, and it takes me to their page, and here I can clearly see write for us, guest posting. And always remember that each and every website will have their own terms and conditions which we have to read while we are submitting an article. And here they are giving some of the important things which we have to keep in mind while we are submitting an article. The quality of the article, it should be minimum 1500 words, and if we give anything less than 1500 words, there are chances that they will deny the article. So we have to keep in mind that while we are submitting the article, we must include the article with 1500 words. And also, while it comes to the credit, they will give the credit for ideas and images that we have used in your post to us. And when it comes to the backlinks, they are telling like only one backlink is allowed to promote your website or company, and this is the benefit that we can get. Now imagine that this particular website is related to photography, right? And just like the Click and Capture Studio, just imagine that 100 other websites are submitting the articles or blogs to this particular website. Now when the article or the blog that has been submitted by 100 websites, if it really meets the criteria, then this particular website owner will accept all the blogs, and this particular website will come into the top of the Google search engine results page, and this is the benefit he will get. And since he is giving one of the backlink to us to promote our website or company, we are going to get the benefit of few things which I have explained in this notepad. We get the traffic, we get a backlink, we get the domain authority, website ranking, and finally online visibility. And always remember that the originality is key, and they do not accept or tolerate the copied content, which means whatever the content that we are giving, it should be 100% plagiarism free. So all you have to do is you have to keep everything in mind, and then you have to submit the article or the blog that you have written to this particular email. And I hope you clearly understand. And always remember that guest posting in the right website websites will always bring the relevant audience, because it clearly stating that this website is about the photography, right? And here it is stating that connect with our audience, which means reach a community of photography and potential clients, which means anybody who is interested in photography, they will be in this particular website, right? Anybody who wants to read something related to photography, they will read the blogs or articles which has been published through this website. Now when we have the backlink and when we have our article or blog in this particular website, and when somebody clicks on the backlink, they will be redirected to our website, and if the services provided in our website is good, then the chances of the user to utilize the services given by us are high. And this is how we can make an use of the guest posting in off-page SEO. Now I will give you an email template which will be very good. Now imagine that we do have an article which is about 1500 words, and now we want to submit that article, right? They have clearly given us the email in this particular website. I want to quickly close this particular advertisement, and then I want to scroll down a little bit, and here we do have the email. Now we have to send our article or the blog to this particular email. They will read, and if we meets their condition criteria, then they will accept, and then they will send the email to us after the article got published. So what we have to do, we have to navigate to the Gmail, and then we have to send an email to this particular email ID, and here the subject is going to be request for guest posting opportunity, and here we can mention dear and then maybe their name. I hope you're doing well. My name is Cecile, and I'm reaching out on behalf of Click and Capture Studio, a photography studio that specializes in wedding, product, event and model photography. I've been following your blog. Maybe we will find some of the blog name that has been listed in their website, and I must say I really appreciate the valuable content you provide. I found your article on wedding photography maybe especially helpful, and it inspired me to reach out. Now while we are writing an email, if we praise that we really like the content in their website, then we can ask for something, right? I wanted to ask if you accept guest post on your blog. I would love to contribute an article that your readers will find useful and engaging. Here are a few ideas I had in mind. Maybe 5 tips to choose the right wedding photographer, how professional photos can boost, or maybe why event photography matters, and few other topics that we can even include in the email, so that if they really wanted to get an article or the blog on this particular topics, they can request us. And when we give the articles to them, what will happen? We are getting the backlinks, and also we are clearly stating that whatever the articles that we give, they will be 100% original and written only for your blog, and it will be in the easy to read format and valuable for their audience. So finally we can say I would really appreciate your opportunity to collaborate with you and contribute to your blog. Please let me know if you are open to this, and feel free to ask me any questions. Looking forward to your response. Thank you for your time and consideration. And finally, we are giving our full name, job title, the business name, and then the website name, phone number, and finally even the email ID as well. If the website owner really likes the content which we have given and the email that we have sent, then probably they will respond back to us, and we will be getting the high quality backlink. And this is how we can make an use of the guest posting in off-page SEO. If you have any questions related to this particular topic, I want you to leave a comment right below this video. I will read each and every one of your questions, and I will answer to each and every one of your questions. By the way, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I have did 100+ videos related to digital marketing which will be simple and short. I will see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.